Hello cookbook lovers, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I picked up this tiny little European Cake Cookbook at the library, and I did a quick flip through exploring it on Instagram where we do that in our reels, and what I saw inside was amazingly colorful and gorgeous. I have to be careful because I don't want to show you the whole book and ruin the surprise, and I don't want to be rude to the author, but there's so many good photos. The author is Tatyana Nesteruk, the founder of Tatyana's Everyday Food. Let's see who published this. Page Street Publishing. Not sure when it came out. Okay. Contents. Beautiful pictures right off the bat. Eastern Delights is the first chapter. Western Delicacies is the second. Well, that's fair. Southern Decadence. Central Indulgences and Northern Treats. Well, I think she covered the whole globe. Here's the introduction. Here's the pretty author. Eastern Delights, multi-layered beauties, marshmallow-filled cakes, and classic Slavic favorites. Okay, let me find just a few very good. A peach zephyr tort. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm not sure my hand could hold the pastry that carefully, but that's beautiful. Strawberry honey cake. Okay, I can't show you everything. Milk tort, apple charlotte cake. Okay, Ukrainian cherry cheesecake. Wow. A poppy seed smetanic, whatever that is. It sounds delicious. Apricot almond dream cake. Did I tell you this was a colorful cookbook? I think I did. Spoiler alert. A Kiev cake, raspberry zephyr cake. Now we're in Western delicacies. Whatever that is gorgeous. How about, a lemon lavender blackberry cake. Perfect for summer. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. How about, opera cake is not the greatest picture. Strawberries and cream crepe cake. That looks like a lot of work. I bet it's very delicate. Here's a, dacquoise fraisier, raspberry cake, I think, or strawberry, strawberry. Earl Grey lavender crepe cake. I guess she likes doing crepe cakes. Okay. Oh, white chocolate raspberry pistachio mousse cake. I had to show you that. That's too gorgeous. Okay, I've got to skip ahead. But I want to show you that. Okay, just get this book yourself and look at it yourself. A raspberry charlotte. See the lady fingers or whatever those are? Apricot mousse cake. She likes working with apricot. Okay. Skipping ahead. Southern Decadence. I think I see some pomegranates. Okay. Berry ricotta mousse cake. Like a refrigerator cake, that would be nice in summer. Limoncello ricotta cheesecake. Good to have options in case you don't like berries. We're not seeing a lot of chocolate in here, are we? It could be that I'm skipping them to get to the colorful stuff. Pistachio raspberry cake. Triple citrus mousse cake. Orange ricotta cheesecake. Okay, she likes orange. Woo! Okay, here's chocolate. Chocolate caramel raspberry bundt cake. And all the instructions to make it. Looks a little complicated. A black forest cake. Oh, I was hoping there would be one in here. Of course, it's a European cake book. Raspberry sacher tort. Marbled chocolate orange bundt cake. Austrian cherry cake. Not sure how that's different than black forest, but I'll have to read about it. Pound cake. Coffee chocolate cake. Okay. Let's find something really good. An Esther hazy cake. Not sure what that is. Did we switch chapters? Whoa, what is this? I have to show you this. A Mozart tort. Okay. We're getting to the end. I have to be careful what I show you. Northern treats. Excuse me. Such as a blueberry lemon ricotta tea cake. Such as a lemon drizzle bundt cake. And a Madeira cake. Get the alcohol in there. And are we getting to the end? Was there one more chapter? Strawberry Verdun's Best, whatever that is. I think we're almost at the end. No, I want more. I'm going to look up this author, Tatyana Nesteruk, and see if she's done any other cookbooks, because this is fabulous. That blew me away. Oh my gosh. I'm probably not going to attempt any of these cakes because I'm too messy and wavy-handed and shaky, but woo! Boy, would I love to eat some of these. Thank you for watching this cookbook look through and review. If you'd like to see more, you can go to the cookbookdivas.com blog We have a podcast you can listen to, and we post videos on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and occasionally Pinterest. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click like and comment something nice if you enjoyed the video. That way the algorithms will show you more of our stuff.